The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, capable of reaching lengths of 18 feet, though most average between 10 to 13 feet. Unlike other cobras, it can stand up to 1/3 of its body length and look a full-grown human in the eye when threatened. This iconic snake has a distinctive hood that flares when agitated, making it one of nature's most dramatic warning displays. The king cobra's venom is neurotoxic, capable of killing an adult elephant with a single bite, yet it primarily feeds on other snakes, including pythons and even smaller king cobras. These snakes have remarkable intelligence compared to other reptiles, the ability to remember specific locations and recognize individual handlers in captivity. King cobras are the only snakes that build nests for their eggs, using leaves and vegetation to create a mound that generates heat through decomposition. Females guard these nests fiercely until the eggs hatch about 60 to 80 days later, showing rare parental care in the reptile world. Their scientific name, Ophiophagus hanna, means snake eater, reflecting their specialized diet. In the wild, king cobras inhabit dense forests and mangrove swamps across Southeast Asia and parts of India. They're excellent swimmers and climbers, often seen crossing rivers or resting in tree branches. When hunting, they rely on their exceptional eyesight and flickering tongue to detect prey from up to 300 feet away. Unlike most snakes that strike and retreat, king cobras often hold on to their prey while venom takes effect. Their venom contains proteins that attack the nervous system, causing paralysis and respiratory failure within 30 minutes in humans without treatment. Remarkably, king cobras can control how much venom they inject, sometimes delivering dry bites. Without venom as a warning, they communicate through body language, hissing sounds, and changing the shape of their hoods. During mating season, males engage in spectacular combat dances where they wrestle upright to compete for females. These snakes play a crucial role in their ecosystems by controlling populations of venomous snakes and rodents. Despite their fearsome reputation, king cobras generally avoid humans and only attack when cornered or surprised. Their scales contain unique pigments that create an iridescent sheen in sunlight, ranging from olive green to dark brown with pale yellow bands. King cobras shed their skin 4 to 6 times per year, a process that takes about 10 days. They can survive for months without eating after a large meal. In some cultures, king cobras are revered and featured in mythology, while in others they're feared and persecuted. Sadly, habitat destruction and illegal wildlife trade have made them vulnerable to extinction. These magnificent snakes can live over 20 years in the wild, though few reach this age due to growing environmental pressures. Their venom is being studied for potential medical applications, including painkillers and treatments for neurological disorders. King cobras have heat-sensing pits near their nostrils to detect warm-blooded prey in complete darkness. When threatened, they produce a deep, intimidating growl by forcing air through their trachea. Juvenile king cobras are just as venomous as adults, but more likely to inject full doses when biting. These snakes can strike with astonishing accuracy up to 7 feet away. Interestingly, some Asian tribes have learned to safely handle king cobras for ceremonial purposes. Climate change is altering their habitats, forcing them into closer contact with human settlements. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic snakes through anti-poaching patrols and habitat preservation. King cobra's existence reminds us of nature, its delicate balance, and the importance of respecting Earth's most formidable creatures. Their survival depends on our willingness to coexist with these misunderstood predators that have ruled Asian forests for millions of years.